Yep, so this is now the situation. You can hear the sound of the wind. My goodness. Whew. It's cloudy again. I don't see birds. That means oh man. Yo koro. Aki Indian is there, guys. Oh, actually taking video. Uy, tago man. Oh, she's there. Uh, we're here at Congressman Golan's compound. So I think, yeah, we're on higher ground. No water. Very sad this time. Neighbors, friends are experiencing flood. And especially our friends outside Bueno or Lagoon. They are now experiencing this Sinlaku storm. Very, very strong. My goodness. Woo. Yo. Sinlaku. When are you leaving? Tropical storm Sinlaku. Still enjoying here in Chuuk. But the people, we are struggling. We don't like you anymore, Sinlaku. Leave us alone. Yeah, keep praying for our friends out there. That's strong, man. Woo. Oh my goodness. Opening wind. Cannot really break that. So Sin got one shot right here. But only 1 point Sinlaku. Stop doing that, mommy. Mommy. So that's our situation here. Sinlaku still here. We can feel and we can see Oh, woo. Oh, one coconut fell. That means coconut now are really, really tired of you, Sinlaku. Grabe ba? Grabe, no? That's life of coconut. Oh, boom! Cha! Another branch fell. La, 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 laka, la. Woo! One branch fell again. Oh my goodness. Oh, 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 Sinlaku. Oh my goodness. What? Kusog kayo mga bibay. Langkat gungkwan. Chu! Samot na sa gawas, mami. Grabe ba eh? Oo. That was strong. Hulog kong sanga na pod. Ah! Kusog ang kuwan sa baba, oh. Ang travel sa clouds. Oh. Agoy. Ah. Woo. Sabi ba eh? Ja! Na! Grabe! Uy! Ja! Oh, wow. Sabi ba eh? Lolo! Lo! That's really, really, really strong. Woo! Ah! Choo! Grabe ba eh? They're asking like, uh-oh, uh-oh. Those who are watching, guys, appreciate to our friends in mainland, so they can also witness our situation. That's our brother. That's my brother Eric right there. Make sure to